iAuto registration account tutorial. Open the software. Click User. Click Register in the pop-up dialog box. Enter the username and password after entering the website, and pay attention to the following rules. We need to go back to the software to check the license. Connect the machine to the computer with a data cable. After connecting, click Help to view the machine information. Click Copy. Paste the ID code into the license. Enter email to receive verification code. Click Send, and your email will receive a verification code. Click Register. Accept registration, and your account is successfully registered.